Hello, everyone, and welcome to lot number 51, located in Pyramid Park in Edgewater, Florida. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home. The home features a large covered carport with a storage shed for your laundry facility. Has your washer and dryer, also with ample storage space. This home is a bit of a fixer-upper. Does have soft spots in the flooring. The lot rent inside of Pyramid Park is $450 a month. Stepping in here to the right is your first bedroom. Right outside the bedroom is your first full bath. Straight over to your kitchen area. Like I said, this is a little bit of a fixer-upper. It does have soft spots in the master bedroom. Also out here, attached, is your Florida room, which is climate controlled. It has heat and AC out here. This home is priced to sell at $25,000. Like I said, back here in this bedroom, it does have soft spots going into the bathroom. So it is kind of a handyman special. But come on down, check it out. It is lot number 51, located in Pyramid Park in Edgewater, Florida.